Hello kids, today I am drawing an ice cream for you. I like this so much. It's very easy drawing. Draw 3 circles. Draw the face of ice cream so beautiful. Draw the stick so yummy. I like coloring, so let's coloring. Let's use the blue color. I like this color. Yellow is my favorite color. Let's use the yellow color in the ice cream. Wow, it looks so good. Let's use the orange color. Let's use the green color. Do you like the ice cream? Let's use the red color. I draw ice cream step by step. Yummy! It looks good. It's so yummy and tasty. Do you enjoy this?